Conversation between two friends about wedding invitation. Hello, Juliet. Hi, Sarah. Please, come in. Sit beside me. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am good. Long time no see. Where are you busy these days? These days, I am very busy with the preparations for my sister's wedding. Wow. I am glad to hear that. I have come here to invite you and your family. But what is her name? My elder sister Susan. Wow. On what day will she get married? Her wedding is next Friday, so you have to come 2 or 3 days before the wedding ceremony. Here is the invitation card. Have you invited any of our friends? I have invited Jennifer, Anthony, and Tom. Then they would be very excited. I will come to your house on Wednesday evening. Don't forget to bring your camera with you. Okay. While talking to you, I forgot to ask you, would you like to have tea or coffee? I have no time. I am in a hurry. I have to go to many more places. Thanks for your invitation. Thanks. Hope to meet you at our house. You are most welcome. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.